Attention real estate investors, not sure which property to invest in or feeling stuck with the properties you already have? Say goodbye to the confusion. Join us for our new masterclass, Invest Like a Boss Analysis, where we unlock the secrets to figure out if your next deal is a thumbs up or a no-go. Find out how to use the property's financials to your advantage. Discover the key indicators that separate money-making investments from the rest. It's time to crunch the numbers like a pro. But here's the game changer. This masterclass is hands-on. Bring your laptop and we'll guide you through real-life deal analysis. We're diving deep into practical application. You'll work on an Excel spreadsheet model with different deal scenarios to sharpen your skills. So, bring your laptops and let's not just learn, but practice for success. Don't miss your chance to invest like a boss and power through deals with knowledge and confidence. Limited spots are available. Secure yours now. See you at the masterclass.